Hey guys, this is my animate which is about 8 seconds long and I want to looping it for a few minutes without keyframes. As you can see, I put only animates that have the same beginning and end keyframes into this comp. I put this comp into another comp. Right click time and select time remapping. Delete the last keyframe. Set the first keyframe to 0 and the last keyframe to the last second of my animate. Press Alt and click on the watch. Type this code: loopOut parenthesis plus loopIn parenthesis minus value semicolon. Congratulations!